me disclose your idea. I was the one who advised my Brempomaa on Ntam.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, and Ntam now okoka
if you remember.
On advising. But na ye right advice now the man na a yes or man advice.
For me na because you see they wanted me to take the Abusuapanin on. Say me insure it, na me issue no. And I'm saying no, you know some of these matters. Stop radio. Say court ahimfia na mpanyfo bema. Almost solve a bit better because you see the court is there. Judges are there, but judge be or an appreciation of customary no. Yeah, na enye 100%, and enye 18 po.
Okay.
Enye 17 po. Because for example, if I'm a judge and my background is one of an account A, now the me continue let's see North Metewa court. Now a matter emanating from a family within wa eba manima because me yet that about customs near the no. So me case me apply law too much. One way I may end up giving a decision in the interest of justice will not be served. To me catch almost a look. Your best bet so be can utum for Ntam. If you think what they are saying is correct and you can prove it. Because the 2 Ntam no can. They said what somebody will be. What somebody will be your court. But in this case, what somebody nipa no empayfo anim omuni nim asante amambre. Ombetimi atena waka ho asem. So I was the one who advised.
That then court one amane koka Ntam no.
There be enye se koka Ntam or court but Ntam. Say the be asem no e be come nhia na yakoka. Enye se koka Ntam or court. Otima se court ne be be Ntam but Ntam.
Lawyer ni bi amabonte ba be kasa lawyer ni bi ene eye rough. Your friend lawyer rough. Nabusuanin nsem de watire bi mu papa. Sema na Akosua Brempomaa Ntam Kesie aka ye ene to Abusuapanin sunya lawyer rough ene man sa apono.
Ade ne hwase yo pa no. But sata no maso an shikakra nti emu na nem se eko mi other colleague or handle man.
Oh, okay.
But I believe say on appeal no normal bit me assessor. I have that firm conviction.
Sir.
Yes, because Ubusami personally, I think say the High Court judge was in error when on discharge burden on the plaintiff, which is Akosua say improve further time or submit the extract of the marriage certificate. Because you see under the Evidence Act, say me kase me or photocopy or extract of a document na me tender ne admit here whoever challenges it now has the burden, so the burden will shift to the all challenging say prove the propriety or otherwise of it and no with mere mouth ebi musi or challenging or cast signatures in suni ade no or mind you the judge probably may not have cited a German marriage certificate before ebi ana ohun bi da enti se me na me challenge ya say the plaintiff na tender nye papa now me na me obedient no all decided cases are any evidence actor to prove with a proper document and I say put in the box somebody who testify to challenge the propriety or otherwise of the certificate. So on that particular I think the judge was in error. Or the court was in error. Let me put it.
High Court judge.
Yes, was in error when he concluded, say, prove say there exists an ordinance marriage. So,
some section of Ghanaians are no more blaming lawyer Kusino. Then they did not get it right that time.
Me follow trial no papa. Inti minimum time I could see a tender document now I admit him because I understand say it was admitted into evidence. Minimum. Afterwards, what happened? But what I know, say position of the law, they say, sad time, if the judge had challenged, say document, it be a baby and sign into a challenge here, then the Kusi ought to have referred the judge to the fact, my job is to produce a document, and I have done it. Until whoever challenges it should produce a better document to prove some made the papa, and say. Oh yes, son, want to say na me there. Kameka said she should have me on record. Said the be at that particular point. Then I will advise the client say now our next step is to make sure say be how to try and through stay of proceedings. You have ever finally appeal, then we bring stay of proceedings for the Court of Appeal to make a determination on that issue, because remember the whole crux of the trial was about ordinance marriage.
Yeah, very well, but lawyer, yes, then I'm the guy no interest. Also, good evening. Mami Akosua say need this lawyer serious. So lawyer Ralph at Japan, please help Mami Akosua say but lawyer Ralph at Japan can join the case. Also, you can join the case. Until Mami found call back. Yeah, na that the Lumba you be a penasem. We're free mo. What happened? At what time? And Mami Akosua say for can then see your damn man no.
You see, because of lawyer-client privilege, me to even disclose your personal conversation, but not the person me and say, "I'm a case no man initially," and not sad time no. Me I know my hot crack. I know more personal issues we are me solving.
Okay.
To money, I always say I'm unable to do it.
Now only more dada 1-on-1.
No, in fact, it was a referral from Obi Aminim to America.
Okay.
And I'm say WhatsApp call. So now all subi. Any dinko, but the chain I'm so no craft for me. Am I dinko, you know? And Odema Kusino was in order because Kusi is somebody that I know. Okay. My advice I made more at the point in time. My Brempomaa say now the do point to be after saying injunction if fairly, you know. Maybe personally I told them say I had a very strong feeling said the High Court was going to refuse the injunction.
Oh
yes, because of decided cases. And they have a catcher home. But lawyer be
so it wasn't necessary that time somebody injunction.
No, lawyer be a strategy. Lawyer be hold himself dey be fail, but obey for a reason.
Okay.
He will be also. Intimidate kusi strategy, but many nipa na and I'm the sumi whom I'm discuss say look, I don't think the court will grant an injunction over a dead body because Supreme Court decide even the, I think if my memory serves me right, this case from Kumasi, Exp0s is in Sia also, probably versus High Court, Exp0s in Sia from Kumasi High Court, yes. I think it went up to the Supreme Court. I should think so. And my position was that no, I don't think the injunction will succeed. Or will be a strategy. The chain no, a Koba said they make kind of bemuno. Me no me meeting. I met Mami Akosua saw the mission.
Okay.
But I met Madam Brempomaa, any Papa she, an old friend. I mean, in America some time back.
Okay.
You know.
Lawyer Church Mami ata sese no ni sese de nsem no esi kono wan hwe ya na akwakwa ye bibio ho no because o me fato bi ti se ebia se bi wo ye judge na bia wo ye nod na ana wo ye bia seshini na udi asem e wasantenam se wo de asem ne kɔ aye akamfo amamrem ni ade wan hwe ade wi abebekɔ bu asem no na anko yie amfa ama other party anase bibisa enu no lawyer ni tina ase hwe ye hu se because o se asem no na ko no ana na Mami Akosua Brempomaa mo di case ni ema se omra emedi efa mo but due to one no personal issues bi ni ade no ana wanti ni asem kokko di lawyer kusi ensem anane na so a na lawyer kusi ni di asem but ni na no mo di ensawoso na we na wo hwe se di ensem ni sikwo omo se mo fa injunction to aye ni so court ni declare say Mami Akosua say wan kwa na ye jire ni wo hwe di ensem ni sikwo na wo ka che Mami Akosua Brempomaa se da bi ensem ni anhwe ni ya ebebu de atia mo na che se bebu de tema Mami Akosua say wa Akosua Brempomaa that side no enu ti sa na be dia Mami Akosua Brempomaa kan tamotu fontam Kesie so ko tu fontam Kesie asem no kopie mo manhia kopie mo manhia ebetimi aboa ama manhia siesie asem se da be asem no kebetimi ye asem kuma because bokukra issues cramp no opemso atimi asiesie de na nya momo nsem we na opemso atimi nye de ensiesie na che se lawyer ni ena Mami Akosua Brempomaa akosa a che se ekokọ ba asa manhia so bu nani sa na meka no egu so asem no esan so kopie mu ekọ na lawyer ni tirema se de ensem no esi ko before se Mami Akosua say wa crampo ba Ghana nim sei omo so mbekọ appeal ni adade no okra ye de che omo say sa asem de se de esi bu bokọ no so omo kọ appeal ni kwapa ebebo e di etia ye Mami Akosua eye sewa ene da other side ni na Abusia pani apa lawyer ni nsem a oka ni na atini abamu se mo remo ye gote lawyer rap evra
Mean disclosure ade bi I was the one who advised Mami Brempomaa so nko Ntam.
Oh
Yes.
Oh, and Ntam now okoka okoto.
If you remember.
Una advising. But na ye right advice now the man na a yes or man advice.
For me na because you see they wanted me to take the Abusuapanin on. Say me insure it, na me issue no. And I'm saying no, you know some of these matters. Say court ahimfia na mpanyimfo obema almost solve a better because you see the court is there. Judges are there, but judge be an appreciation of customary norma no. Yeah, na enye 100%, and enye 18 po.
Okay.
Enye 17 po. Because for example, if I'm a judge and my background is one of an account A, now the me kotina let's say North Metewa court. Now a matter emanating from a family within wa eba menima because me nye that about omo customs near there no. So me kase me apply law too much. One way I may end up giving the decision in the interest of justice will not be served. To me catch almost a look. Your best bet so Ntam. If you think what they are saying is correct and you can prove it. Because the Ntam no can. And they said what someone will be. What someone will be your court. But in this case, what someone any panel and pay for him or nim asante amambre. So I was the one who advised.
That then I'm court one amane kokantam.
There be and yet sekokan Ntam or court, but or cantam. Said they buy a seminal about commercial and yakoka. And yes, sekokantam or court. What was a court never be a cantam, but cantam.
Okay.
So be follow a man issue rate as you Abusuapanin because he at that stage
you got a woman to have a cantam no.
Exactly.
Why are the Kesie or Asante Mantem into your frame?
Exactly.
Okay. And you get chance to do whatever you want to do with
them. No very of any
easy.
Very easy because you see so kasa uko lawyer now uko issue rate against Abusuapanin. Me lawyer be adwuma one obey good job no so be san charge. Nti udi sika na chi a wo akotua sika mu bi. But me 70 lawyer on the other side. Na me short time I decided to say na. Sometimes you advise your client that look, as for the service, try na evade. Na yenye de be we akabia a mute. Sort mase. E dey say dey see na no omo koy omo si case na omo dey kwa cry court. No so omo twem because na omo main purpose was to get injunction. Sort mase. Ena ekoba say anyi now was a friends the relevance of leaving that case. Emwa to so jai on the be mute. No, this is a traditional matter that can be solved at the Marshal Palace.
Okay.
So do that. And me and court course seven wasa.
Okay.
Because I mean you shouldn't always think about
Exactly. Okay. Then a good advice. I would want to say or more ye yen canasa or more see body no or more call appeal court. What advice then?
When I make we say Ubusame media, I think if Omo Ebeyo no maya, the Court of Appeal, when they are seized with an opportunity to make a decision on to determine the a year asking or why back one I say, or I back they are na ordinance. Ada why na catching na no more concubines, so when you so properly called Tiano anality, is ultimacy. I don't know. Court of Appeal to me, you can only adduce fresh evidence on very minimal condition. A best idea. E be ni say na evidence na ho but now why na won. So ultimacy. Interfere no now why should the court admit fresh evidence? So mu obi sa omo dey ba. Court no beji if and when the fresh evidence will serve the interest of justice.
Okay.
So ultimacy.
Okay.
Enya sa dey no man a free high court na mo compile the Court of Appeal. Inti no na o se wo hwe ba bia ne judge na high court judge ne nya adwen
no
na fi wo ka say the high court judge when she did
so
that will be your grounds of appeal.
Okay
for the appellate court to do justice.
Very well. You see the men na din komosa they we na you be a better trend be na your top radio final point is na men na din komosa inti na ye be ko so monitor na ya follow na ya hwe there
Nsam no me age brekwa kotie dia ba na ai na je so ame aba be hu se eno mebu onu ma Akosua se de lawyer kusim osika ne nsensen kai onu lawyer rafa ebi anka eno mebu onu ma onye sa because ame hu se senkai onu edu fa ba bi no ko be ka kire ni nipa na wo dia ma ne se ma mekoja se wu ana akoja Brempomaa se da bi se de ade ni si kono pa no twa no nipa no wanya wo wi mu mi nyai ni enko sie we na bi e ba japada na bi bisara that just ye chena anko ye kura na motive the sansa na dey akokot but mobia ene na adwenti ena lekusi efa ne kwan foforo so eno ti na ma ne kokoba ne se ne busua che wadwen comment section video no e ma foforo enya bi enhye aha live in Ghana TV na subscribe na turn notification bell on ya upload video timi enya bi ahwe me di akire
men tira camera we so say mo na akoma me Akosua se wa onko kremu Lumba nyoma nyina e mo do boni mamu asram wa na ka kire wo de ne chefa e na wokogie o deserve nti ma mo ye e na oba be peda pade na nka o ma me ne nkope o ma me ne nkope o ma me ne nkope Lumba japade de obre na kasa pade bu se de obre na wodie na nam refi ka oba no Lumba no masie na wie ne nkome predi ai o papa ti o ma mi ti come predi adia ene japade nti na obanto be pre wai na pre obe pre no so no o me pre nkase Lumba emma nyina obefere nyina afiro mo nsem enti mo da mo ndwene sene mabu ma me ne bone no enye saa na ote ate won tena sen kase wo obedidi abra Lumba ma enidie oba wati ni fie efie ne kwa mo ka wasebe ye beridi wo kra na odobro ni kasante amamre mu no muntie sen kasante amamre de dia Lumba wu ye nke betu na firifie ho ukunu wa da ni wu mu no saa da no montena mu cause ebia na wajane ma bi wo mu a etwase abusuafo ene ka ho asem na so se besi ne mumu sase culture ya fa anya adwuma so otifie ho maame ne ba ye ne kunu fie be no kotena mu eti maame na mu bile mu ne so babeje obekremu no de ono ti Lumba ja oti Lumba fie kura no mo se wonyini nyina na de ono aba wonya ba bi nti oti na danfo nchen kura no mo so bagini nyina obi tawe ya o otani edru ami Akosua ekuna wo kono you will win the battle na me kan tro ekun we be win wate ya botre black box ene nti ase keke ba ho brasie nti you will win the battle ene wo gina kem na wo ye greeter na yi bibie no eche mo kwan se abafra fefe eye odobroni wontimi kogina kem e ma na namfofo so enye yi ye ni ha sei na asem ba ye mode champagne ekogu no so nye odo eye odo a wona so for champagne megu no so anso ma so mode champagne egu no so sebe na kuma beto ni yemu no na mo ye ma no sebe ye ma me akoma beto na Ghana fo nyina bo ohwi se mko Akosua no enti ye di asemwa etano dosu mo niema enye specific ema ye hunu de keka kono to kwana mo kono asa odobro ni kura no mo de nesi baabi na mo na mo konto kwana fa kwana so ta odobro ni hoya uni mana wuni mwate uni mana munim mama ya ni na ho na fansem we ebetima to bi atoto bebrebe they could even talk, they could even speak. When I say Ghana law be change apade a omodo broni bi adey na mo ya uncivilized we illiteracy is killing us ekumusa law be charge dia omodo broni bi na ne mensia una wo wo mo ana fosu do mo se Lumba ma sabi on ka fofi antota ka ba ko na ti aso ko na ye nso ko na they have to share se Lumba ma ne benya bi adey and oba be dey pade free Lumba nsa de ono te Lumba fie what Lumba fie according to sources ninia be mate tantra domi fie ana tantra hill fie na ma me Akosua na ofra bro according to mo baye onya baby na no ono da Lumba dan fu fie no wana nke klemu ne all Fire. Utawo bia. Utawo kodua. No yi mika tu ate. Mutawo kodua no yi mika tu. Mutawo kodua no yi mika tu. Ghana for. Mimi ntawo bibia wo. To kwa mimi de be yi. Mimi obi enwa betano. Me odobroni. We will not sit down. sir ono so bra wo bra Lumba ho no ma me Akosua nko gine nyina mfiri ne sara ne man koda abonte ha de bati asiesa ba mo me enkase do ono ti fie mu o ti islegon fie mu muti na de ono no oba ye bonya ba bi ntina mo tena danfo nchen no ho na ekremu ni nyina ha mimi mfate sem nya asem ba according to society you say e fe ne say aye odobroni ni nua ba ko te dan ba akomu ne maame te fie ba akomu de ono ba maame no se nka Lumba japade woni Lumba nyaye nkata so Lumba yere a wonu nya ba bi ntie no ka hwan ne be kum hwan na ka e kwagire nyina umenya fair umenya respectful umenya reasonable Mommy Anthony Amasi.